This is what I got going on. The motor done went out on me last night. You can see battery fully charged. It's not doing nothing. I've been making a groggling sound for the past couple of days, but so I got a new motor coming. I'm gonna go ahead and move this because I also got a spot welder coming, so I can be able to put those two batteries together. I'm gonna go ahead and do some maintenance and put this up under the seat. So once I do get the motor, I can just wire everything up. And take all these down, what's the name off. I got the controller took off. I done took all these zip ties from off here. Now I gotta take the seat off to put it up under there. You know, I just figured out this is gonna be a long process till I get this bike how I really want it. Cause I got so many ideas in my head that I gotta put together. The handlebars, the brakes, the forks, the tires, the motor, the battery bill, the lights. What else? What else I gotta do? I think that's it. Everything I just named. Let me get the seat off. You got two in the back, so you got two in the back, two in the middle, one up top. You got 5 screws up under the seat. I can't get that last back screw off right now. So I'm gonna leave the bike laid like this while I decide what angle I'm gonna mount it. I still got space. If y'all get stuck like this, just flap it up. You'll figure out how to mount it. I'm mounting it with zip ties. Y'all can see the frame. Look nice, don't it? It's always a good thing to inspect. your controllers and your batteries anytime you taking them off to charge them, clean them, or reorganize them, rearrange them. I want to open this up and see what it look like on the inside. You know me, I always want to see what something look like on the inside. That's so pretty. I ain't gonna go no farther than that, y'all. It's all your screws battened down. It's a pretty controller on the inside. Now we gonna put this on here. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure where your wires and stuff are gonna have space. I like it like this. Gotta get on the other side. As y'all can see, I got the control up under there. See how it's sitting up under there. This looks pretty nice though. If anything, because I don't like it, even though it's closed, you know, the wires and everything covered up. What I might end up doing is getting like a sheet of Kydex and cutting it to fit this. And even the underside carriage right here, put a piece going up right here. And on the other side, and also right here. So that whole area, I ain't gotta worry about packing the wires. If I can fit all the wires in that little triangle right there and cover it up, I can just leave my wires loose, so I won't have to be balling them up or nothing like that. That's what I'm gonna end up doing with that spot right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm finna move this carriage off right here, because you know the triangle battery is going right there. But I'm just moving it because I'm not putting that battery right there no more. It's like I put the controller up under here. These two batteries, what I got right there, I'm gonna connect those stock batteries together and make them one 48 volt battery or a 60 volt battery. I ain't made my mind up yet, but I got the spot where the nickel strips and the copper coming. And then that's got a triangle battery, what's gonna go right there. Now let me move this from right there. Make sure I keep these screws. You never know, you might need them. That's mainly why I got that bag for the whole little tools and wires and stuff like that. Always keep your little bag with your maintenance stuff on it, you know, like wires, cables, probably a tube in case you get a flat, stuff like that. I gotta cut it off. I'm gonna end up taking this out anyway, so I'm gonna use this on discharge wire, something like that. Never let cables go to waste. That's how I gonna end up looking. It cleaned up nice though. We're putting that up under the seat. Putting that up under the seat. Let me show you. It cleaned up real nice putting that up under the seat like that. Cleaned up real nice putting that up under the seat. I'm for sure gonna get some type of panels to put right here, and I'm definitely gonna have to put one right here because I don't want no water to be splashing on there. I'm gonna have to block this whole area off right here at a minimum, and put some like side panels, and this space right here can basically stay open so it can get some air. Cause once I got that blocked in, that back part blocked off, ain't no water gonna be able to get to it. You'll see. I'm gonna have this thing looking nice though. And it's gonna be super fast. And I might have to nip off a little piece of the frame right there, cause it's a little piece of the controller kind of hanging down. See right there how it sit. Now look at this side. It's more flush on this side. You see that? Those little detailed stuff like that matter. But yeah, it's gonna end up being nice though. Just chill. And I know some people might have been like, why you even bring it further all the way back? I think it's a little too thick, and then I ain't wanna have the wire having to clear up under that. So that's why I push it a little forward and put it like that. But yeah, all the wires gonna be able to be packed up under here. It's gonna be clean, bro. No, I ain't put it like that at first, but you know, I was just trying to hook it up to see the performance. But yeah, he's still going. So this what I got coming this week. Lights, I'm gonna be able to put those on as soon as they come. I got headlight and I got an LED light set up. Gonna be a strip up under here, and then up under the bottom part of the frame right there, going all the way back. I'm gonna put an LED. That's probably gonna be it for LED. I ain't gonna put too much crazy lights on it, just so it can light up and people can see me. What else? I'm gonna put a let me think. Oh, what I got coming? I got all the stuff for the build. That back battery. That back battery gonna end up being either 48 volts, 26 amp hours, depending on if I can cut the nickel strips on those cells in there, or if I can cut the nickel strips, it's gonna be a 60 volt, 2.8 amp hours, and this front box right here gonna be 27. But it's gonna all look like one battery, but it's literally gonna be two batteries. That's gonna always be the main battery what I'm gonna run. That's gonna be connected to the lights, but it's also gonna be used as a secondary battery for long trips. This battery gonna be connected to the motor. This battery gonna be connected to the lights and everything else. That's what I'm gonna rock out with that. But I'm kind of glad I took that big block from right there. That opened up a lot of space. Taking that controller box from right there. It's different, like a whole nother different bike once I'm done with it. You can see what the cockpit looking like. I don't think the battery plugged up, but these handlebars gonna be gone and those forks gonna be gone. So this gonna look different.